Hey guys, today we're at 2006 Unit B in River Drive. Let's head inside for a tour. This place has tons of natural light. We are currently in a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Let's head over to our kitchen. We just saw our living room. Lots and lots of cabinet and counter space here. Over here we have washer and dryer hookups, our refrigerator and a pantry. And we do have a porch here, a little balcony. It's very, very quiet out here. Nice view. And let's head back inside. Next, we're going to head over and go see our bedrooms. This living room is massive. We have bedroom number 1. These rooms are all very spacious. We have bathroom number 1. We'll head on over to bedroom number 2. Again, very spacious. And then we have a very large master. And it is in fact a master suite. And here we are in the master suite. So lots of room, very nice house, guys. Check it out. Thanks.